let's move on. What animal is this? Okay, it's a fish. So, yan ang tinatawag dito, parrot fish. Okay, what is this body part? So, ito, yung nasa back part. So, this is called the tail. So, if you can remember, yung tail ng dog is different from a tail of a fish. And next one, so this one, merong nasa taas and meron din sa baba. This one are called their fins. So these are used for swimming, but not for dogs. So, but for fish, they make use of the tail and their fins. Next one. So we have here duck. Ito ang adult duck and then ito ang baby duck. So this one, if you can remember yung sa hen and then sa eagle, so this one is also called the beak. But how is it different? So ito medyo flat siya. Unlike with the eagle, medyo sharper siya. And then this one, just like the, for ducks, they don't have their claws, but rather they have their webbed feet. Why is it they have their webbed feet? Hindi yung parang magkakahiwala because it is used for swimming. So pwede sila sa tubig, they can swim but they don't live on water. They just swim para to move from one place to another. So that's why it's webbed. Imagine paano kaya kung maging webbed din kamay natin and then feet. We can also swim as the duck can. Okay, next. Okay, so let's name the parts that is being pointed at using these pictures. Okay, what's on the picture first? It's a chicken. Okay, so what body part is this? So I'll give you choices. Is it the beak, the fins, or the horn? What's your answer? Okay, the correct answer is beak. Yan, tuka. Tuka sa Bicol, tuka sa Filipino. Okay, next animal, we have a turtle. Okay, what body part is this? I'll give you your choices. Is it the paw, head, or the shell? So if you're done thinking of the answer, correct answer is shell. Next, what is this? Si teacher ba yan? Ay, pareho kami pink. Okay, so what body part is this? Okay, the choices are beak, nose, mouth. So what is the answer? Is it beak, nose, or mouth? The correct answer is nose. Okay, but we have a different term for that. Siguro pag upper grades na upper level, that will not be called nose anymore. But for us, we can consider nose pa din yan siya for grade 1. Okay, next, we have, ano siya, unicorn? Hindi. So, it's a horse. So, unicorn, ano lang siya, fantasy. It's a made-up story. But for real, we have a horse. Okay, what is this body part? So, is it called the tail, leg, or fins? The best answer is tail. Meron ba tayo niyan? O, makicheck nga sa likod nyo kung meron kayo niyan. Okay, ako, I'm sure, wala ako niyan. At sure din ako na wala kayo niyan. Okay, next. What is this? Okay, it's a frog. And what do we call this body part? Is it the paw, claw, or the feet, or foot? Because I'm pointing at only one. So this one, we have the best answer is feet, or we can also have foot because it's only pointing at one. Next. Okay, this is a dragonfly. In Filipino, it's tutubi. In Bicol Naga, it's alibangbang. But in some areas in Bicol, alibangbang it's a butterfly. Okay, so nevertheless, this one is a dragonfly. Okay, what body part is being pointed at? So is this fins, wing, or arm? So the best answer is wing. Okay, so this is being used for flying. Okay, next one. So this is a goat. Siya, parang buntis pati. Okay, so this one, above its head, is it called horn, head, or antenna? So the best answer is horn. Okay, just like the carabao. Okay, that ends the slide presentation. So you may proceed with the activities on the module, and then I'll be back for 1.2 about the habitat, the movement, the food getting of animals. Okay, see you later.